Hello, this is Ashrit. This video is a presentation on our main project analysis and prediction of our agriculture yield using data mining techniques. My fellow teammates are Prashant, Bhargav, and Shushant. This project is developed under the guidance of Dr. T. V. Rajnikant sir, Professor and Head of the Department of Information Technology, GRIT. It is a well-established fact that farming is the backbone of Indian economy. Our project intention is to guide these farmers in choosing a crop for cultivation that has the most productive yield, thereby which is beneficial to them. In this project, we have made an attempt in research and reviewing all the studies in the application of data mining techniques in the field of agriculture. The datasets we have used in these projects are acquired from Department of Agriculture at Guntur and Karimnagar districts respectively. We have placed a manual request to the Department of Agriculture and obtained the datasets. We struggled to collect the raw data for about a month period and then converted them to a format which is suitable for pre-processing. Let me show you the raw data set. Here you can see that it is a totally unordered form which cannot be used as for pre-processing. We pulled together and arranged them in a format suitable for pre-processing. Data pre-processing. Data in the real world is incomplete, so we have to clean the data, integrate it, and discretize it so that we can use in our data mining. The various pre-processing steps followed in our project are data cleaning, data integration, data transformation, data reduction, data discretization. In data cleaning, we have dealt with missing data. In handling missing data, we have followed the measures of central tendencies and replaced all the missing values with the mean values. Here you can see there are a lot of missing values here, and we have converted the Excel formatted sheets into ARFF formats and replaced the missing values, null values with question marks, and imported this file into Veka and applied the preprocess as replace missing values with mean values. After performing all the preprocessing steps, we have obtained the preprocessed ARFF file, which can be seen here, and replace missing values with measures of central tendencies. Filter is added here. Now getting back to the presentation. Further into the product, we depend on a base paper which was published in International Colloquium on Computing, Communication Control and Management, named Data Mining and Analysis of Agriculture, based on the decision tree. The authors are mentioned here. This paper is the base paper for us, and we have studied this paper for a while, and we collected this paper after thorough analysis of many papers and found suitable for implementation. The authors in this paper particularly mentioned classifying and clustering for the analysis of the agricultural datasets. So we also plan to implement those methods on our collected pre-processed datasets. The techniques like replacing missing values with measures of central tendencies, decision trees, Bayes classifications, one-hour classifier, linear regression, etc. are studied. The clustering techniques like k-means, k-medians, and other methods also studied. We found suitable the combination of classification and clustering techniques, namely the decision tree algorithm, J48 k-means clustering techniques suited and more apt for the proper analysis on the collected real data sets. Particularly, the clustering was applied where continuous data sets are appeared. On continuous data sets, which may be suitable clustering and in this view, I have developed a customized GUI suitable to our application using Java, AWT, and Sphinx. The main feature of this GUI is through which you can select the appropriate dataset and apply suitable classification and clustering techniques. The output can be stored or exported in required format, and the algorithms are written interfaced through the GUI. The user can feel the comfort with our application. And let me show the execution of the GUI. Here I choose a file, text will, when we click on it, a pop box opens, and we need to navigate to the folder where the datasets are present. Here it is in main project 263 folder, and this is the preprocessed and generalized ARFF file in which all the pre-processing steps are done and ready to analyze. And in select algorithm, the various algorithms are listed here in a drop down list, and we need to select the IDG classifier and generate the result. After Generating result, here we can see the textual tree by which the decision tree can be built. Using the decision tree, the prediction can be done on agricultural data sets. Thank you.